In the previous video, I showed you how to use the Mosaic to New Raster tool to create a single digital elevation model out of the two datasets. In this video, I will show you how to use the slope tool and the raster calculator to find optimal slopes for the homestead. On the Humboldt State Geospatial Online website, I'm currently on step 21. However, just for future reference, these numbers sometimes change. In this scenario, you are conducting a site suitability analysis to find an optimal location for a homestead. Part of this fictional scenario is the assumption that there are no developed areas in this region. For our purposes, the city of Arcata does not exist, and the land is currently in its natural state. You will only consider terrain in this analysis. The criteria for this analysis is very simple. The goal is to find the largest area of land with a gentle slope that faces south. To start, you'll identify areas with slopes that are between 1 and 5 degrees. In the ARC toolbox, open the Spatial Analyst tools, then Surface. Double-click Slope. For the input, use the Arcata DEM. For the output, be sure to browse to your working folder. I'll call the file slope.img. The Slope tool provides two options for the output measurement, degrees and percent rise. Make sure this is set to degree. Leave all the other settings as default and click OK. A raster surface model is loaded onto the map. This surface model represents slope steepness based on changes in elevation. In the ARC toolbox, open Map Algebra under the Spatial Analyst tools. Double-click Raster Calculator. I want to find slopes that are greater than 1 degree and less than 5 degrees. I'll need two independent conditions, separated by an AND operator. Be sure to enclose each condition in parentheses. For the output, browse to your working folder. I'll call the file slope between 1 and 5.img. The result is a raster dataset made up of ones and zeros. The ones represent areas where the condition was true, slopes between 1 and 5 degrees. The zeros represent areas where the condition was false. In the next video, I will show you how to find slopes that face south using the Aspect tool.